In this video, we listed the 5 best fold-up treadmill for seniors that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. 3G Cardio Pro Runner Treadmill. The 3G Cardio Pro Runner Treadmill is a high-quality, residential-grade treadmill designed for adult exercise and fitness. It features a sturdy metal construction with a compact, foldable design for indoor use. The treadmill has a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and comes with special features such as Bluetooth connectivity, shock-absorbent technology, and a wheel designed for easy maneuverability. With a 3.0 HP motor and a 20.5-inch by 58-inch running belt, the Pro Runner treadmill offers ample space and power for running workouts. It also includes built-in programs, speed and incline adjustments, and heart rate control options. Additionally, the treadmill comes with a lifetime frame warranty, 5-year parts warranty, and 1-year in-home labor warranty, backed by 5-star customer service. Number 2. Goplus Folding Treadmill. The Goplus Folding Treadmill is a versatile and innovative fitness equipment designed for adults. It features a 2-in-1 mode, allowing users to switch between jogging and running speeds. With a powerful 2.25 HP motor, non-slip running belt, and multifunctional LED display, it provides a comfortable and effective workout experience. The treadmill also includes special features such as a Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, remote control, and app control for added convenience. Its compact and foldable design with built-in transport wheels makes it easy to move and store, making it ideal for home and office use. The treadmill is made of steel and ABS material, ensuring durability and stability during use. Number 3. SereneLife Folding Treadmill. The SereneLife treadmill is a foldable and portable exercise equipment designed for adults. It features a maximum speed of 7.5 miles per hour, a 1.5 horsepower motor, and a large running surface of 15.75 inches by 43.30 inches. The treadmill also offers 12 preset training modes, 3 manual incline settings, and a digital LCD display for tracking run time, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. Additionally, it can be connected to the FitShow Sports app for an interactive fitness experience. With its space-saving design and built-in speakers, this treadmill is suitable for home and gym use, especially in small apartments. Made of aluminum, it is lightweight with an item weight of 66 pounds. Number 4. BiFanuo 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The BiFanuo electric treadmill is a powerful and quiet fitness machine designed for home and office use. With a 2.25 HP motor, it offers a speed range of 0.5 to 4 miles per hour and features a shock reduction system for a comfortable workout experience. The multifunctional LED display allows users to track their progress, while the foldable design and transportation wheels make it easy to store and move. This portable and foldable treadmill is suitable for adults and comes fully assembled for immediate use, making it a convenient option for home gym cardio fitness or office gym cardio fitness. Number 5. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmills. The NordicTrack Performance Treadmill is a sleek and durable piece of fitness equipment designed for adults who enjoy running. It features a powerful 3-horsepower smart response motor that allows for effective speed, interval, and endurance training with a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. The treadmill also comes with a special auto incline feature that can be controlled with a single touch, providing a challenging workout experience. With a generous running surface of 20 inches by 55 inches and Flex Select deck cushioning, it offers ample space and joint protection. Additionally, the treadmill includes a 30-day iFit membership for access to live and on-demand workouts with elite trainers who can adjust the equipment settings. The innovative space-saver design with EasyLift Assist allows for easy folding and compact storage after use. With a 300-pound user capacity and solid alloy steel construction, this treadmill is built to last and is backed by a 10-year frame assurance, 2-year parts assurance, and 1-year labor assurance. It also features an auxiliary music port and dual 2-inch speakers for entertainment during workouts.